Right now I'm sitting at the Miracle Business Lounge in Suvarnabhumi Airport in Bangkok, and I'm flying to the SriLankan Airlines Business Class from Bangkok to Colombo. And well, so I'll give you a tour of this particular business lounge. So here you go. So we are boarding the SriLankan Airlines aircraft to Colombo.
So for a
Thank you very much.
hello, how are you?
I am at 4A. This is my seat, window seat.
Mati is there now.
Fantastic leg room here in this business class. Boarding still going on. I have kept my bag here. I just have this bag. I have no check-in luggage. Water, the welcome drink. Don't worry, you will have different options for your welcome drink, including apple juice, mango juice, but I tried water because I'm not really interested in anything like any juice. It's around 8:15 p.m. in Bangkok now, and our flight is going to take off at around 8:30. This is around 3.5 hours flight from Bangkok to Colombo. So this is hot towel.
Aboard SriLankan Airlines. We'd like to take a few moments to take you through the safety procedures on board this flight. Make sure your baggage is safely stowed away in the overhead locker or under the seat in front of you. Please keep the aisles and exits clear.
We are about to fly. Bangkok Airport night scene. Another plane landing. Wow, this looks amazing. Bangkok really looks beautiful from the sky in the night. Wow. I'm going to use the blanket. got sea fish curry, steamed rice, mushroom and broccoli. Let me enjoy my dinner today.
shortly, and time is in Colombo is 1 minutes past 9 o'clock in the evening. Weather in Colombo, we are with a temperature of 28 degrees, and if there's no arrival delays for us, we'll be planning to be at least 5 minutes in our scheduled time. So on behalf of Captain Moody Dixit and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying with SriLankan Airlines, and it has been a great pleasure to be aboard. Thank you very much.
We are just about to land in Colombo International Airport. Very smooth landing. Outside you can see Emirates Airlines, and we have finally arrived in Colombo International Airport, Sri Lanka, and it's night time here.
වෙලාව රාත්‍රී 10:05 විනාඩි 8ක් වේ. දැන් ඔබගේ ජනපදුරකථනය ක්‍රියාත්මක කළ හැකිය. කරුණාකර ආසන පරිසංඥාවේ වතුනතුරු ආසනවල රැඳී සිටින්න. ඔබගේ ආසනයේ නිදරා ක්‍රමයට කිරීමේදී ඒවායේ විභාග පහතට වැටීමේදී දැතෙහි මේ ගැන සැලකිලිමත් වන්න. කරුණාකර ඔබ සතුවේදී සියලුම ගමන්වල කෝණයන්ින් පිටතට යන විට රැඳීමට මතක තබා ගන්න. ඔබට යම් සහායක් අවශ්‍ය නම් මේ බව ගුවන්තොටුපළ හෝ ශ්‍රී ලංකන් කාර්ය මණ්ඩල නිලධාරියෙකුගෙන් විමසන්න. වන්වල සම්දානයේ සමාජිකයෙක් වන ශ්‍රී ලංකන් ගුවන් සමාගම සමග ප්‍රයාස කිරීම ගැන අපි ඉතා ප්‍රීතිමත් වන අතර නැවතත් ඔබ හමු වන ඇතැයි අපේ ප්‍රාර්ථනයයි. අයුබෝවන්. Welcome to Sri Lanka, ladies and gentlemen. We have arrived at Bandaranaike International Airport, Colombo. The local time is 8 minutes past 10 p.m. Mobile phones may now be switched on. Please remain seated until the seater sign is switched off. Please be careful when opening the overhead compartments as items inside may fall out. May we also remind you to kindly take all your belongings with you while leaving the aircraft. We invite you to log on to www.srilankan.com for the latest discounts and special offers on travel and holidays with SriLankan Airlines. It has been a pleasure looking after you, and we hope to see you again soon. Thank you for
flying SriLankan Airlines, a member of the One World Alliance. Ayubowan.